Umentri katanat pule puthi rakam e sangma ka khatsan Tarik ujaleo arja arpulai ula Pynbeit beke exam CUET na ka Bynta ki bangan ele exam shabar ka Jylla on Pynbeit Bynta Kito Kiba Tarik nang bigi samla pule ki nyolan paniele ekne ke exam.
I'm to inform to all the students of the state, those who are going to appear for CUET examination. So we have informed by the Ministry and the NTA and the Honorable Chief Minister, and the government has taken up the matter with the Ministry. We have been informed that for those affected students, in view of the center allotment in Ranchi and other parts of the country, will be rescheduled, and they will be given another opportunity to appear for the CUET examination this time. Therefore, I would request all the students not to worry and wait for the rescheduled time. We are also working with the Ministry of Education and the NTA to set up more CUET examination center in near future. We are working aggressively and we will leave no stone unturned to make this possible.